Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok bad quality uploads. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open TikTok. Once you open TikTok, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and you need to record a video like I am doing. So let me record a video. Okay, then you need to click on the tick mark in the right bottom corner and click on next, and here you need to click on more options, and then you need to allow high quality uploads. Higher quality videos may take longer to process. Once you click on that, then you need to go back and then you need to post your video in high quality. So this is a process by which you can fix TikTok bad quality uploads. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.